I was sent this set of rubber grommets and asked you my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out. Here's everything you're gonna get in the package. You're gonna come with separate sizes. I think there's seven distinct sizes of grommets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 7, from small to large. And they're also gonna give you a small box cutter. So you're gonna be able to trim those grommets to fit exactly in the size of the firewall that you need to go through. So typically these are used in like a firewall electrical scenario where you've got perhaps the engine compartment of a vehicle, and then you've got what's called a firewall or a barrier between the interior of the vehicle and the engine. And if you need wiring to go through it, electrical wiring, you'd use some of these grommets to secure the wiring in between, but seal the heat and keep the heat out. So what you're gonna do is it has this little ridge here. This is where your metal will go. You're gonna need to cut a hole in the metal that's the right size, or select the appropriate grommet for the hole you already have. And then when that is in place, you're gonna take your little knife that they provide you here, and you're gonna cut into the center here like an X. And when you cut this with an X, you can poke through and the wiring can go through into the other compartment. So you're gonna get 4 of these large size ones here, and it's gonna go all the way down to very small, and you're gonna get several of these very, very tiny ones here. Looks like you're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, it looks about 8 of these super tiny ones. So this is gonna help you to keep bugs out of electrical equipment, to keep things sealed up, to let just the wires pass through that you need to pass through without any other leakage of temperature or air or any access for bugs or whatever. So I hope this was helpful to learn a little bit more about this kit. You're gonna get all kinds of sizes here, have all kinds of options for any kind of job that you have to do. Hope that helps. Have a great day.